Hey guys, it's Aanchal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this DIY, I have taken 4 popsicle sticks that I painted with red color. Then I stick them together to form the snowflake shape. I use hot glue gun to stick popsicle stick. Of course you can go for white glue, but it's take time to dry and it's time consuming. That's why I prefer to use hot glue gun. Use some stones and decorate the snowflakes. Then I use white color thermocol balls and paste at the end of every stem of snowflakes. I made another one in white color. This popsicle stick Christmas tree are so much fun. They are so easy to make and you can decorate them however you want. Use glitter foam sheet star to stick on the top of the tree. For this tree, you have to cut different size pop stick and stick them as shown in the video. Decorate the little tree with the help of rhinestones. Start off by painting the popsicle stick with white color, allow to dry and attach them together. Glue additional black color pop stick to create the head portion. Paint the head with black watercolor or black marker. Cut a strip with red glitter foam sheet to form a scar and stick just below the mouth. Glue 2 small buttons to the bottom portion. Add dots with a black marker to form eyes and mouth. Cut a carrot nose from orange paper and stick below the eyes, or draw a carrot nose with orange marker. I took 4 popsicle stick and painted half pop stick with red color and stick them together with the help of glue gun. Add red foam sheet triangle on the top to make Santa cap. Then I take white pom-pom and stick on the top of cap. Take cotton to make Santa's beard. Black stone sticker for making eyes. I use red thermocol ball to make the nose of Santa. Then I made another Santa Claus with the help of single popsicle stick. Cut a cardboard piece like this. Start wrapping yarn around the cardboard. This first step is to select your yarn color. I am using 3 color yarn, red, green and white. Now take a portion of yarn and tie a knot. You can also select the size of your pom-pom based on the size of cardboard that you wrap the yarn around. Now you will use your scissors to cut the loop at the edges of your pom. Cut until all loops are cut. Repeat this step until you have as many pom-poms as you want. Thread the needle and prop the thread through yarn pom-pom. Spread out in equal distance. As you can see, such cute wall decoration that are perfect for Christmas decoration. Trace 2 concentric circles onto your cardboard and cut out your wreath shape. I used green color yarn to wrap the cardboard. After green color yarn, I used red. After red color yarn, I use parrot green paper thread to cover the wreath completely. Then I stick red bow on the top of the wreath. Glue rhinestones or sequins onto your wreath to decorate it. These yarn wrapped Christmas wreath ornament will look so pretty. For Christmas greeting card, I used 300 GSM designer sheet of size 12 by 9 inch and fold it off. On this designer sheet, I stick silver mirror top. With this cardstock, I have also attached a red ribbon. Fixed another sheet to it. Tie a knot with the ribbon. Then I take 4 circles of different size and color and paste randomly. Now attach paper pin as shown. Paste paper twin bow with glue, or you can use hot glue gun to paste it. I am using some rhinestone to decorate it. In this card you can write your message or wishes. Simple, I use cardboard and cut the letter and painted them with red color and allow it to dry. I cut red glitter foam sheet in shape of Santa hat and stick these hats on the top of the letter. With the black marker, draw a black band for the belt. Use a golden stone to make a buckle. Apply cotton to the bottom of each letter. And that's it. There is nothing cuter than these DIY Santa letter ornaments. They are inexpensive and super easy to make.